Alright, y'all. Y'all know I gotta put some gas in this hog. That's all it does is hog up gas. I gotta go in and get me a coffee. Might gas up actually somewhere else. Not sure. But here we go. I need a coffee. That's what I put in my coffee. Just one. Boop, boop. And then some creamer and some sugar. And we all good. And a little bit more of that.
Yeah, seriously. I'm like, you guys need to go. I'm like, I don't think so. Somebody asked me, hey, Dad. He was looking over right there.
How you doing today?
It's just weird. We got a really strange customer base.
I know, right?
Yeah, when
Thank you.
customers want to start kissing us.
Be careful, you're on camera. Be careful what you say and do, you know.
That's weird.
It's all important. Keeps everybody honest.
Now
No,
when the
ma'am.
customers are like, can I just kiss ya? No, I really want to touch your money.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, sometimes I come out, people be around my car and shit. You gotta be careful, bro. That's the way it is, man. So now we getting ready to go. Let's listen to the engine start real quick. Okay. GoPro, stop recording. What up, y'all? We here. This is a little POV I'm giving y'all right now. Make sure I'm straight. Turn this music down, let y'all hear this engine. Running, boy. It's beast mode. Uh-oh, we got dirt roads. Time to turn around, guys. Oh, you're not gonna catch me playing with this one. No, no, no. I shall not. I shall not get on a dirt road. It's a little too much for me, fellas. I like country roads. Let's see if we can hit it. Let's get it in first and hit it up this hill. This boy will get away from you, boy. She'll get away from you. You gotta be careful with her. She'll get away from you. She jump up, she get on skates real quick. Man, talk about nothing but pure, sheer fun. Man, this motherfucker boy got balls. Serious. Sick. Talk about running. We're gonna try to see if we can get her on race start real quick, coming up and down one of these streets here. If we can get keep everybody off of us. The Mercedes right there. All right, guys, we're gonna put this thing in race start real quick. Click it over to race start, race mode. We're gonna confirm paddle up, cancel paddle down. So we're gonna hit up. We're gonna depress gas in that, and we're gonna go straight to the floor with it, all the way down. That's race start. Woo! That's race start, guys. Woo! This boy got go. You gotta let off of it, folks, or this thing, it'll kill you. It's serious. That's what 600 horses can do, man. This thing is serious, dude. That's how you launch this boy. Right there. This boy is sick, man. Just listen to it. Cars coming up. They know we speeding, Jack. Hit it for them. All right, y'all. I just want to show y'all how to do race starting this thing, man. It's serious business. It goes all the way back to Sport Plus by itself, as you see on the middle console. So we got comfort mode, we got sport mode, we got Sport Plus, we got manual, we got race start. We got this thing heated up. It's heated up to 102 now. We got it really hot. We got it running now, folks. All right, man. That's what I want to show y'all. POV race start. That's how we do. This thing got wheels, man. It's on skates when you get it cranking. All right, y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe. One thing. Make sure y'all do one thing if y'all don't do nothing else, and that's subscribe, because we're gonna be running this boy. All right, y'all. GoPro, stop recording.